Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to add sticky add to cart button on your Shopify online store. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you are very beginner with Shopify, but you don't want to hire any developer or you wanted to get ready code snippet, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. Also, if you wanted to become a Shopify developer and very beginner in the learning stage, then these tutorials and free resource will be very helpful for your Shopify development career. So let's get started. Right now you can see that I am on my website e-commerce thesis and I have uploaded more than 600 plus video relevant Shopify. So you can check easily all the video very helpful for any Shopify store owner or any Shopify theme design development or customization learner. And you can see that I have recently published a article how to add a sticky buy it now button on Shopify. And first I'm going to show you the result, then show you the details about this pie or what is the benefit and or what is the importance of this pie. Then I will show you how you can implement it easily on your Shopify online store. So let's go back my Shopify store admin panel. Here is my Shopify store admin panel and I'm going to click on the online store. Then you can see that we are using latest Dawn theme. So Dawn theme is one of the most popular Shopify free theme, and maximum Shopify store owner at the beginning stage use Dawn theme, but Horizon is also awesome theme right now. Okay, so click on the customize, and as we are going to add this on the product page, we have to go to the product page, and you can see that right now we have added a pop-up into video. So I have already video about this pop-up into video. So you can use this one if you want to add it on your Shopify online store. But we are going to our main topics. This is our product. Go to the product page. And you can see that here is the ready sticky buy it now button. And here is the section under the template I have added. It remains e-commerce thesis sticky buy now button. And you can see. But if you go to others product, for example, go to this one, you see it's fully dynamic. I just show you that everything working dynamically. Go to the another product, for example, go this one, looks here, yes, it's fully dynamic. And now we are going to learn about the customization of this sticky buy it now button. So click on it. You can see that here is the all the ready option. I have added maximum premium option on it for free for all of my Shopify store owners. So I hope you will like and subscribe to my channel to support me to make more relevant video to share all of the Shopify user. Okay, so you can see that first of all we can change the background color. You can easily change the background color. You see, looks here, you can change background color. This is the first option. Then we can change the text color from black to green, you see, okay. And like so you can also change the font title color, you see, dynamically. Everything you can control dynamically. Okay, we can keep it, okay, looks good. Then show title on mobile, it's fully responsive. Also have the option to show the title on mobile or not. Then show image, we can hide image, but this is not professional. I just keep the option. This is very relevant to show the image. Then show quantity, you can show quantity in here or hide the quantity. If we go to the visitor mode, then we can see it very easily. Then show stock level indicator in stock, you see. Then show free shipping progress, there is the free shipping progress. Then show trust base, you see, premium quality and secure checkout. And here is the text, we can change it easily. Buy it now. Looks here. Buy it now. We can make confirm order. Confirm order. You see, here is the text and processing, redirecting, error message. Then buy it now button, background color. You can change easily color from here. Just copy this color code and go to the Google, and from here you can change any color. You can use your relevant color based on your requirement. For example, we are going to use this one. Just copy the code, copy, and go back. Looks very carefully. Let me add the color again. Yes, you see. So you can change the gradient color from here. Also button text color. Also sales base. Show sales base text. And here is the spacing padding top. Looks very carefully. Right now on the title and the box very close, but we can add spacing. Yes. Yes. So I hope you understand what we can do with using this P chart, using this sticky byte now, and all of its P chart. It's fully responsive and customizable. So click on the save, then go to the shop. We are going to open a product. For example, open this one, or go there. Open this one, then we can understand very easily. You see? Wow, looks good, looks very good. And here is the sticky at 100 more for free shipping. Everything is available based on our settings. Okay, so now we are going to the article part and going to learn about the benefit of this sticky byte now button. So here is all the details of this sticky byte now button. Very good snippet. You can easily copy the code and implement on your Shopify online store. Also, here is the benefit sticky byte now button. First of all, improve conversion. This is the main benefit, and definitely it improve the conversion. If you use any premium theme, then you can see that they by default added this sticky byte now P chart on your Shopify premium theme. So you can understand very easily that this P chart is premium P chart. Then enhance user experience. It make easy for user to confirm the order very fast. Then increase mobile sales, as this is mobile friendly, and people show the add to cart button in the bottom of this mobile with sticky position. Then they will definitely increase the sales from mobile device also. Then A/B testing, then better A/B testing, and simple implementation. So I hope you understand everything about this P chart and how you can edit. And now the question, how you can set up it. This is very simple. Just first of all, you have to go to your Shopify admin panel. Okay, I'm going to Shopify admin panel. Then click on this 3-dot icon, edit code. Then open your section folder very easily and create a new file. File name sticky add to cart dot liquid. Okay, and simply go to my website e-commerce thesis and copy all the code from here. You don't have to subscribe to email subscription, don't have to share your email or phone number, nothing, just fully free. Copy from here and paste, then simply click on the save. You're done. Very easy and simple, no any complex process. You can easily do this without any coding skill, without hiring any developer. So I hope you understand the total process and you can easily implement. Also, I have another good news for that. If you need instantly ready code snippet with free setup, then you can send me message by WhatsApp. You will get the fully free ready support with Google Meet or Zoom via video calling. So this is awesome feature for any Shopify store owner. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.